that plate color right there is something you will not be seeing at Anaheim 1. Even though Cooper Webb did win Supercross last year, and the customary thing is to come in with the number 1 plate and the red background, the new rule for 2026 is that no one will run a red plate until round 2 of both Supercross and motocross. So until somebody technically has a point lead, no one's going to actually have a red plate. Now, to me, this is stupid. It's an absolutely no necessary, nothing needed why rule. You know, what purpose does this help or change anything? Like, you won last year, you come in with the number 1 plate as the defending champion, you should be able to run the red plate. I mean, what would it really hurt anybody? And there's also some other sides to this too. So Cooper Webb, who will be the returning champion for Supercross, will have a number 1 plate with white backgrounds. Now, Jet Lawrence, that right there, will have Jet Lawrence as the 2025 450 SMX champion will have a purple backgrounds with yellow numbers as the previous season's Super Motocross champion. Like, it just makes absolutely no sense to me. Why this needs to be changed, it doesn't matter. Like, I think it was probably so you're not having like 3 or 4 different color plates, because you have an SMX champion, you have a red plate, and then you have a thing. But still, for the rest of the year, you're still going to have Jet Lawrence running, you know, the purple and whatever, purple backgrounds with yellow numbers. So you're still going to have 3 plates for the rest of the year, unless, I mean, let's be honest here, he might just come out and walk it. But and then Deegan, if he decides to race the West instead of going 450, he will have a number 1 with black backgrounds on his YZ250S and YZ250F. Jeez. And if he jumps to the 450 class, he'll just have a normal number 38 with white backgrounds like everybody else. Like, there it is. That will be what Jet Lawrence's bike looks like. To me, this is such a stupid thing. You know, why? If you won the championship the year before, you were coming in as the defending champion, so you should be able to run the red plate for the first round. If you lose the point leads after that, then obviously you don't get to run it, and it works how it should work. So I don't understand why this needs to be a thing. Like, it just makes no sense. Granted, it doesn't hurt anything by changing this rule or making this a rule. I don't even know if it is a rule, whatever you want to call it. By implementing this, let's put it that way, it doesn't hurt anybody. It doesn't change anything. It's just to me, a stupid red tape thing. Let's add more necessary problems when you don't need to. But I don't know. You guys tell me. Comment down below. You think this is stupid? Do you think they should be able to run the red plate for round 1? You think this is a good idea? And if so, why? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform lets you do, because it does really help me out. And I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.